Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I am filming this quite early. I'm actually filming it the Tuesday before last week's new releases because I'm going to be on vacation whenever I would be filming these normally. So if I do add any collections to this, I wouldn't be taking any away, but if I do add any collections, I will let you guys know on Instagram. But I do have 3 exclusive collections this week and they are all so pretty and I'm just so excited. They have been requested a lot actually, so when I ask for suggestions, you guys have been requesting them. But let's go ahead and get into this week's wiggle first. So it's on matte paper like the past few have been, and this is in the fan favorite of Sparkly Rainbow, and I am so excited about this one. The rainbow always does really well. I feel like it's a really cool color combo. It'll actually look really cute with this year's St. Patrick's Day exclusive art. Super excited for that art because it's kind of like neutral-ish, you know, excited. So this is on the matte paper, and this is available as a bundle, and it's available for $10 from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern, and then it goes to the regular price. So this is on, again, the matte white paper with the foil being the Sparkly Rainbow Hollow. Okay, so I'm going to be listing these this week. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys these ones. So the first one here is from the August mystery, and this is the rose gold twinkle wiggle. So I'm going to be listing that this week, and then I'm also going to be releasing the rest of this one, which is the 5-year foil. So this is the matte gold on the marble, which is really pretty on matte paper. And then this one here is the glossy marble with the silver foil, and this was the rest of September mystery. And then last but not least, we have another sparkly hollow one. I think I released a sparkly hollow one a couple of weeks ago, but this is actually the twinkle version, and this was in the October mystery. So sparkly hollow, the twinkle version. So that is from October mystery of this year. And again, this will be the one that's on special, which is the matte paper with the sparkly rainbow foil. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. Super excited about these. Again, they are all custom exclusive art, so you will not find them anywhere else. So let's go ahead and get into these. I'll go ahead and show you guys this one first. So this is called Reflection, and I think you guys can probably tell that this is inspired by Mulan, which is one of my favorite Disney princesses. So I was super excited about this. This one is in the older format because we've had it done for a while. This is one I feel like could look good with any foil color, which is super exciting. So you do have the old Andrea Munchkin freebie, and here are the full boxes. So cute, like a modernized kind of Mulan. I just love it. I think it's so cute. I love the little bowl of rice. One of my favorite Disney princesses, like I said, I think Mulan and Pocahontas are my favorites just because they're amazing. And then you have another girl there. You have the little things, headers, deco, and then your bottom washi, which is super pretty. So that is the ultimate kit for Reflection. It would be great if you wanted to use a kit to mark the movie, or if this is just a princess you like. I think it has really pretty like beginning of spring vibes, like kind of like March, because you have the green in there, but it's not like too prominent, especially with these being the like colors in the kit. So you do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You do have the glitter headers if you'd like to add that on, and last but not least, you do have the label sampler if you want to add that on. And then it also does come in a mini kit. We do unlimited stock on our stickers, not the foil, for 48 hours. So from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. So that is the time to pick up the mini kits. Not this past week because it hasn't happened yet for me, but the week before, all of the mini kits actually sold out within that time. So oversold. So then at noon on Friday, they were all out of stock. So definitely, if you are a mini kit user, try to buy in that time. So that is Reflection. Again, that is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. Then I also have this one. This one's so cute. It also does come in a mini kit, and it is called Up, and it is a little inspired by the movie Up. I just thought it was like a cute kit. And I thought that both of these kind of had like lovey kind of vibes, that if you wanted to use them in kind of like alternative to a Valentine's Day kit, they could be really cute. So this one and the next one, because they're kind of both like really beautiful love stories. So this is, like I said, called Up. Super, super cute, very springy. And then you have, I guess you could see it best in the Weekend Banner. You have this really cool kind of like, it has the colors of the kit, but in kind of like a sparkly printed glitter there, which is really pretty. So you have your deco here, super cute. I love this extra full box. I think it's so funny, and it's just such a pretty, fun, like I said, springy kit. I think this would be also great for March with that like green, but like the spring colors. And I love the bottom washi. It's just so pretty. I love the yellow. I don't do a lot of kits with yellow. Munchkin had freebie, but I think that this one needed the yellow for sure. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit, so that is also an option, but I'll go ahead and show you guys the a la carte option. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. So that again is up. And then last but not least, I guess I don't even know how you want to pronounce this one, because I feel like I would say like Eva, because I feel like that's how Walle pronounces it, but you could call it Eve if you want to. But either way, look at this collection. It's kind of like a Walle inspired, but kind of more of like a space galaxy modern kind of vibe. Super cute. Love this so much. Walle's actually one of my favorite Pixar movies. I just think it's so cute. Actually, for my rehearsal dinner, we watched Walle with like everyone at the Ritz, which is like a movie theater downtown in Austin, and I just think this is so cute, and it's just such a pretty collection. And you have this like, it's like a silver faux sparkle throughout, but it's almost like a charcoal silver color. I'm like really in love with it, so let me go ahead and show you guys. So it's kind of like, it's a little bit of a darker silver, but with the silver on top of it, like with silver accents, it's gonna look really pretty. But you could also really go hollow, or if you have any type of like pink or purple or like blue wiggles, I think that'd be really pretty as well. But like, come on, it is so dang cute. Really simple bottom washi because the kit itself is pretty busy. And then like I said, you have the Munchkin head freebie as well. So that is the ultimate kit for Eve, or Eva. That's how I read it in my head. So that is the ultimate kit. There is also the option if you want to add on the mini kit, or not add it on, but there's an option for the mini kit. You do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, a really cool ombre. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is everything for this week's new releases. Again, all 3 exclusive collections, so you won't find this art anywhere else. So you do have Eve, or Eva, however you want to say it. Let me know if you guys pronounce it like that in your head as well. Then you have Up, and you have Reflection, which has been a very highly requested kit. And then, like I said, this will be the special wiggle that is on special for $10 from noon Eastern Wednesday to noon Eastern Friday. And then we are going to be listing all 4 of these past wiggles. They won't be at the special pricing, but they will be available for you as well. So that is everything for this week. Super simple releases. It's going to be a busy 3-4 weeks for me with travel and work and everything. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.